Hello everyone, welcome back. Today it's a homemade power mixture to treat the common cold and to boost up your immunity levels. These three ingredients, that's the honey, which is also known as the liquid gold, turmeric, which is also called as the golden spice, pepper, which is the king of spices. These three ingredients are rich in medicinal and nutritional properties. These ingredients are being used by Ayurvedic medicine for many years now. To make this mixture, you'll need half cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of pepper. You'll need to mix well and your mixture is ready. This is an excellent homemade mix to treat common cold and to boost your immunity levels in your body. You can have this mixture thrice a day if you're having cold. And for kids below the age of 12, you can add in more honey and give 1/4 teaspoon 3 times a day, or you can have it generally 1 teaspoon every day morning, which helps to boost your immunity. Do try it out and post your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe now, like and share. Thanks for watching.